There are many who actually hail the Supreme Court verdict in Sanjay Dutt's case, saying there should be no differential treatment for the Bollywood superstar. Sanjay Dutt's sentence has also come as a massive blow to the film fraternity. Here's what some of his colleagues had to say as Sanjay Dutt gets set to go to jail.
All we would say is, as an industry and as colleagues and as his friends, it's an extremely sad moment. I think I would wish his family strength and courage. And I would, like I said before, hope for respite from the judiciary system of India to, keeping in mind his family. But we all respect the law, and I guess what needs to be done needs to be done.
As far as personally, I can't comment much on the way he's feeling, but he's obviously feeling down. But he's taking it with the stride because he respects the Constitution of India and the Supreme Court. And he's taking it in the stride. I've been with him and he's doing pretty well. Sanjay Dutt is not only a friend but a mentor. He was my senior in school. He's a fantastic human being.
We love him. I've had fond memories with him. He's been really kind to me, and it's quite unfortunate, and the whole industry is with him. We all support him, and I hope the best happens to him and his family. Thank you.
हम सब हेल्पलेस हैं, हम सब अपसेट हैं और बहुत ही दुखी हैं कि ये हो रहा है, पर हम में से कोई भी कुछ कर नहीं सकता।
आई थिंक पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री उनके साथ है, मैं भी बिल्कुल खड़ा हूँ, बहुत कमाल के इंसान है, बट मुश्किल दौर है, फैमिली को सबकी ज़रूरत है सपोर्ट की, हम सब खड़े हुए, बट पहले भी वो एक लड़ाई लड़कर बाहर आए और सच्चाई की हमेशा जीत होती है, बहुत अच्छे इंसान है और डेफिनेटली ये दौर समय कटेगा और आई एम श्योर ही विल कम आउट एज अ विनर।
I think he'll come back much more stronger, and मुझे तो ऐसा उम्मीद है कि कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ही हो। हर चीज़ में कुछ है तो हमेशा हर चीज़ को पॉजिटिवली देखता हूँ। तो जैसे वो जैसे मौका मिलेगा, जैसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट होगी तो मैं तो सबसे पहले उनके साथ फिल्म बनाऊंगा।
Sanjay Dutt is an amazing human being. He's always been a strong person. He's fought with all the difficulties in life, and I'm sure even this moment in his life he's going to fight and come back more stronger than he ever was. सरकार और जो जजमेंट है थोड़ा रहम दिखा के रहम तो दिखा, हमें जजमेंट में तो रहम पता नहीं है, लेकिन जो हकीकत है कि हम इसे छोड़